continuous time periodic signal, that is signal x of t. If x of t satisfy the equation x of t equals to x of t plus capital T, then x of t known as a periodic signal. Okay, where capital T is period of signal x of t. Let t0 is the smallest value of capital T that satisfy equation A, then this t0 is known as a fundamental period. It's known as a fundamental period. Okay, now let x of t, a sinusoidal signal I am taking, a sin omega 0 t plus phi, then x of t plus capital T is a sin omega 0 t plus omega 0 capital T plus phi. Now according to this definition, what is given in equation A, x of t is said to be periodic if x of t equals to x of t plus capital T. Okay, that is equation 1 equals to equation 2. When these two equations are equal, when omega 0 t is a multiple of 2 pi. Okay, omega 0 t is a multiple of 2 pi. Let m clear, or t equals to 2 pi by omega 0 m, because we all people know that sinusoidal signal is periodic with period of 2 pi m. Clear? Now what is the smallest value? Smallest value means when m equals to 1. When m equals to 1, then this t becomes smallest one. Yes or not? The smallest period of sinusoidal signal is 2 pi. So the smallest period t0 equals to 2 pi by omega 0. So this is known as a fundamental period. Fundamental period. Okay, this formula we will use to find the fundamental period of an periodic signal. Let we will discuss some problem. First problem, x of t equals to j e to power j phi t. Find the fundamental period t0. Now if you see this equation in this form, x of t equals to a e to power j omega 0 t. If you compare this both, then omega 0 equals to 5. Then what is the fundamental period? t0 equals to 2 pi by omega 0, that is 2 pi by 5. So fundamental period t0 equals to 2 pi by 5. If you take another question, let x of t equals to 2 sin of 5 pi t. Find the fundamental period t0. How to solve? Same process. If you see this equation is like this, x of t equals to a sin of omega 0 t plus 5. If you compare these two equations, then a equals to 2, omega 0 is 5 pi, and phi equals to 0. Then what is fundamental period? t0 equals to 2 pi by omega 0, that is 2 pi by 5 pi equals to 2 by 5. Let's solve some more problem. Let this type of signal given, x of t equals to 2 cos of 10t plus 1 plus 3 sin of 5t plus 2. Okay, find the fundamental period t0 of this signal. Okay, now how to solve this type of problem? This is not a single signal like before. it is combination of two signal x1t plus x2t. So whenever this type of problem will come, what to do? First find t1, that is a period of x1t, and t2, that is the fundamental period of x2t. So t1 is 2 pi by omega 0 1 and t2 is 2 pi by omega 0 2. Then find t1 by t2. If t1 by t2 is a rational number, then x of t is periodic. Okay, so this is very important. Here x of t is combination of two signal x1t and x2t. So how to find this t0? This is the method. First find fundamental period of x1t, that is t1, fundamental period of x2t, that is t2. Then find t1 by t2. If it is a rational number, then the comment is x of t is periodic. Okay, rational number means you all people know, yes or not? Simple. Integer by integer. Okay, then x of t is periodic. If t1 by t2 is not rational number, let t1 by t2 is rational number, is m by n is a rational number, where m is an integer, n also an integer. Okay, then it's a periodic. If t1 by t2 is not a rational number, then x of t is a periodic signal. If t1 by t2 not a rational number, then x of t is a periodic. If x of t is a periodic, then not required to find period of the signal. But if x of t is periodic, then how to find? Means t1 by t2 is a rational number, that is equals to m by n. It's a periodic signal. Then the fundamental period t0 equals to n multiplied t1 or equals to m multiplied t2. This is the theory how to find fundamental period of two signal, either it is addition or subtraction, no problem. Okay, in case of multiplication it is different, we will discuss. Clear? Now if you see our question, now find what is x1t. If you see our question, x1t is 2 cos of 10t plus 1, and what is omega 0 1 here? It is 10. Then what is t1? 2 pi by omega 0 1 10, that is pi by 5. What is x2t? Is 3 sine of 5t plus 2. What is omega 0 t? That is omega 0 2 is 5. Then t2 is 2 pi by omega 0 2, that is 5, equals to 2 pi by 5. Okay, now t1 by t2 equals to pi by 5 divided by 2 pi by 5 equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 is a rational number, yes or not? It is 0.5, simple, it is a rational number. So it is a, what is the common? It is a periodic signal. It is a periodic signal. Then what is fundamental period? Fundamental period t0 equals to simple 2 multiplied t1 or equals to 1 multiplied t2. Both are correct. That's t0 equals to 2 multiply t1. 2 multiply t1 means pi by 5 equals to 2 pi by 5. Or if you take t2, or simple 1 multiply t2, if you take t2 also, it's 2 pi by 5. Both are same. Okay, so the conclusion is it is a periodic signal with fundamental period 2 pi by 5. Okay.